हेलो बच्चों, वेलकम टू माय चैनल किड्स ट्यूटोरियल। आज हम सीखेंगे अल्फ़ाबेट। वीडियो ज़रूर लाइक कीजिए और सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलिए। चलिए वीडियो शुरू करते हैं।
A for apple. A for apple. B for banana. B for banana. C for cat. C for cat. D for dog. D for dog. E for elephant. E for elephant. F for fish. F for fish. G for grapes. G for grapes. H for hen. H for hen. I for ice cream. I for ice cream. J for jug. J for jug. K for kangaroo. K for kangaroo. L for lion. L for lion. M for monkey. M for monkey. N for nest. N for nest. O for orange. O for orange. P for parrot. P for parrot. Q for queen. Q for queen. R for rose. R for rose. S for sun. S for sun. T for tiger. T for tiger. U for umbrella. U for umbrella. V for violin. V for violin. W for watch. W for watch. X for xylophone. X for xylophone. Y for yak. Y for yak. Z for zebra. Z for zebra. Thank you.